Right now, you are seeing Venezuelans from around the world celebrating the capture of their dictator, Nicolas Maduro. Here you see them tearing down a banner with his face on it. Venezuelans in Miami celebrating this capture, and thousands upon thousands getting together over this historic moment in Venezuela. For Venezuelans, this is the most freedom they've had since Maduro came into power back in 2013. Local reporters say that a guy named Edgar says that his chest feels like it's about to explode with joy. While Venezuelans are celebrating, they're also FaceTiming families still in Venezuela, making sure they're okay, because there is still so much uncertainty about what happens next. After Nicolas Maduro's capture and all the celebrations, it's very clear that Venezuelans have wanted this for a very long time.
Yeah, come celebrate with us. We love everybody because you, America, has loved us so much. So much. Thank you, America.
One thing is for sure, Donald Trump is truly changing the world, and now Venezuelans have a brighter future that they can look forward to.
Some, like Orlando, are disillusioned. The 71-year-old now lives in abject poverty. He worked as a labourer, but an injury means he can't work at all now, so he's dependent on help from the community. There's no social services to look after him. He's on his own. His family has left the country. That is as common as the poverty here. All Orlando has now are memories of Venezuela's past.
Oye, maravilla. La comida barata. Me ganaron real. Real. Un ayudante me llega ganando 90 euros diarios. Eso cansaba. Comida barata. Había trabajo. Soy todos son real, todo lleno real, plata. Ahora no hay vida.
These barrios should be a stalwart of Venezuela's socialist revolution and government. But the 2024 election results revealed an astonishing collapse in support for the government in these places, amongst those who actually cast a vote.
But we're told by people who live in this area that they actually wanted to vote for the opposition in last year's contested elections, but didn't. And there's a couple of reasons for it. One, they say they were scared of retribution from government supporters who obviously live amongst them. Secondly, perhaps this is more important, they felt that even if the result was that the opposition won, the result wouldn't be honoured.
It's not surprising that a quarter of this country of 29 million people have left. Millions have gone because they simply can't live in a country where poverty is the norm. And corruption at every level of society, from the very top to the very bottom, is endemic. Add to that a collapsed health service, education sector, industrial base and corrupted legal and political institutions. It's hardly a great surprise that Venezuela is on its knees.
Reportar esto es historia, pero también es alegría.
Propio presidente de los Estados Unidos, Donald Trump, acaba de confirmar que Estados Unidos ha llevado a cabo con éxito un ataque a gran escala contra Venezuela, y el líder del país, Nicolás Maduro, quien junto a su esposa Cilia Flores han sido capturados y sacados del país. Se espera que sean trasladados hacia la ciudad de Nueva York, donde está abierto el expediente federal contra Nicolás Maduro Moros como miembro del cartel de los soles.
Reportar esto es historia, pero también es alegría.
Y podemos diferenciar cuando el llanto es de nostalgia, sumida con la alegría y sumida también con el sufrimiento que han vivido durante tantos años.